Hey guys, what's up? It's a girl Kissy Unstoppable. Welcome back to another video. Happy Easter, guys. I know Easter gone already, but all y'all do enjoy your Easter. So guys, this video that I'm bringing over is Annie. You all know Annie, social media sensation. She always over TikTok, YouTube, or cook up her food and go on with herself. But the one year kind of sticky. She and her boyfriend in some conflict. But I'm glad the police come and resolve it though, because too much things are going with the woman them nowadays. So people, me are going to go over and watch, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
See him. If you don't love him, take him before he kill me. Please, me I beg you. In a Jesus name, you know there's something wrong with this guy from day one. Oh no, me not no mama no papa, and me have to take care of my pitney, you know. I kill the man who want kill me, you know. And the man said, me no contact to him, you know. Look where him lie down in the middle of the road. Look.
Use me. Use me. Use me. And you know. So if me did that work, if I want to be that cell, food are better. Food at least can.
This crazy.
Food at least.
Wanna give me the charger? This crazy. This crazy. How me use him? I want to know how me use him. How me use him? I want to know how me use him. Talk to me and tell me how me use him. Me no business. Tell the call and tell if you come pick you up then I watch it there, sir. How me use him? So you and a man there in our business. Yes, Limstead phone man and the one out from Limstead. How me use him? So me and a man live together and me I come. Me and a man live together and me if you take my money and give when him baby mother call. Excuse you.
That makes sense. You have to wait until you reach your English.
So me this what me want business. What put this up here so? And you are gonna tell me say me if you take my money and give to man, take out the whole of my business money and give to him and him baby mother when him baby mother call. Me jump and take out my business money give to a man? Eh? So me and a man sleep together, me fi pay the man when me sleep with? Business supposed to bill. Business don't take a month for bill. Business do not take a month for bill. So you go tell me, say when this man having baby mother upon him neck, him go want cut off my neck. If you take my money for give baby mother, him sit man better on go and go sit down, you know. Better on go and go sit down, you know. Cause me I go have money in my bed and have sex with me and me I go end up a PM for work with me. I wanna come from. Hey boy, you don't know me. You don't know me. You need to know me, yeah. When I go talk about use, him sleep, eat, drink, me pay me rent. Me pay me rent, me pay me Wi-Fi bill. You understand me? Me pay me shop bill. When you talk about me buy me stock. You understand me? I mean I tell you say I'm not investing in my business because I not this him them if you know on yourself. Me a struggling mother. You hear me I tell you? Me a struggle for nothing. Right now, my people them on the internet get me right, yes so. People them on the internet get me right, yes so. Me not ashamed for telling you that. Me not ungrateful. Right? So him come in our business, come with me. Him supposed to push with me, motivate me. You understand what me I say? Right? So me can reach the limit for take care of both of us. What me I go take out money out of business I pay him for? Hey, one of those school no man, do not hurt me no. When I hurt me, now kill the boy want kill me, no. Hold this up. I kill the boy want kill me, no. Right? Enough time when you not understand, you know. This man quick for jump off of my kids them. Why you so quick for jump off of my kids them for hurt my kids them? Eh? This man a talk about who he put bullet in her. He's a demon. Right? Me get one worker. Me calm down. Cause me know me hype. Me hyper. Voila, me calm down. My hyper, me calm down. My hyper, me get on. Alright, me tell you where it come from. Me get one worker because I couldn't manage in the week. And me get a girl for work with me. Right? Me make my worker get her good pay and everything. The man end up started to cuss though. I say if me can pay a worker, I not pay him. What not tell me say? So me and man this way, me and him a grow together. We not grow together. We ain't growing together. Give him my money, come give him my money. And make sure you give me back your wall. I look a wine and dine when me doing another bed there. All of the living team, make sure you give me back your bright and facey. Oh no, me not mind no man. Go girl, them days are over. Sorry, oops, you're crazy. Give much money. Your man supposed to have build together, invest in man for put in for investing at the business. How them Google girl come from? Oh no man. I want them. I wish food not eat to them. Me know what's that bun over there feed pan, you know. I half a bun over there eat. No, me no business. I have to be bun. Nothing else but bun over there eat. Oh, thank you. I'm glad for address you. I'm glad for address you. Hold on, my son. I love that one here. I love that one here. I'm not ready to take this yet, right? Listen, all of my moderators, them, I want to look for 2 ore. I want to look for 2 Pariton ore for my life right now. 2 Pariton ore. Well, if side and side to me, right, yes, sir? 2 ore when I like me, yeah. I want to look for them in the comment section and block them. Then the right, yes, sir, right now, watch me and them dep on the live. Look for Pariton ore. When we smell them, we don't know the whore them. They wore them run out. Just like what Derek say. Run out, run out. Look for the Pariton ore them and block them from out of my comment section. In a Pariton, my baby. Pariton ore. Them they write in the comment section.
You know what, make a black apple in case.
All if I know she black her, me no want to call her name because God know me wicked for done a girl today. Look for the Pariton ore them will run out and dep on my comment section. Block the Pariton ore them. Una already I get front light seat, front seat una get, you know, with popcorn and everything, right? And una come in my comment section and comment no whores, You 2 little bitches, you 2 little witches, and a 2 best friend them in the community, you know, right? And me I tell you, say the girl, and then in my comment section right now I dig it up. Whore, una get front section, popcorn and everything, right? I wanna still there on my comment section attack, block them order, hurry up.
Can't find them.
Oh, Landa, relax, my love. See, Landa, yeah.
That's crazy.
Team, the right there, so sit down. Yeah, man, you have 2 ore from up here. Take up for you in the comment section. 2 Pariton ore. Them the same girl will fling a big stone for my old stop. Them I take up for you. Thank God. And you have some limstead passy. So you get one heap of straight now. Come on, you have people we are back you. And everybody are back me. 9,000 odd people. They not back me alone. But I feel like them are for me alone. Them are help you too. So use that straight there and go on home with it. If you want to look on me like you go jump on me, fine. I don't care. Me doing business. I don't business. Use that strength and go on. Me don't want you kill me and kill me pitney them. No phone not take up phone a friend them. Want to make one a friend know better. Nah, me not trouble him for true. Make him be. Sit down for true. Him call me and make him be for true. Make him sit down. Not trouble him. You see hungry lion, don't go fast with them for true. You sit down and in nice in a middle road. Make a car come and clot him out tight. When you sit down over Limstead, you see uno look at Limstead dirty people I go dig up. Uno know all the youths. And uno can call on a family and talk to him. Right? Uno know me not do him nothing because they are watching for over 8 years. Uno look at wicked nastiness. But the moment me see me in a problem and me jump compound life, uno ready for come ring up phone. Ring. Well, couldn't ring your phone for a long time. Uno come female help him and make him no kill off none of we down here. That you know fi do. Come for him. Me never look upon that. 8 years.
I say, and he never stay so, you know.
Eh?
He never used to stay.
Him never stay so. Me don't know him change and stay this type of way now. Me not talk to him at 1 year go down there and the man have one sharp knife. You go on down there is a sharp knife that you go and go down there with a sharp knife. You're crazy. You're bright.
He's dangerous.
The man have a sharp knife, a swingy, and you go tell me, say the man.
The man say he want his phone, he don't want to talk to you.
So you know, see people them a call you, talk to you, people them a call you for reason with you.
The man say he don't want to talk to you, want the phone we have there. And
you want touch phone? What am this the phone yeah? When me having on my hand, you want it back? You know, say me say something. If me say something bad, una go disrespect me.
And them are saying mad and them are laughing.
If me say something bad, una go say me disrespectful. If me say something bad, una go say me disrespectful. Yeah.
Don't give him. Don't give him.
Me give him much phone. May I eat that? You must say mad. You not get no phone. Me feel say all the baggy when buy about couple of years ago you want it back to, and them the baggy have be a whole night, so me know say you want back them the baggy there to. You crazy? No sir. Nah give him nothing.
One time saying.
You know one kiss? That corner. You see, you know, so Chanel, why police would call back? Why police would call back? You know say police the way all depend on life here too. God no.
Long time I call them.
So call the police. So I tell this a joke. So if a man threaten and say man go do all of that, I just take it for joke. And when bloodshed start shed now, I go say if me did know. So if me go there and he ram me knife in my stomach, I just hurt one and me pin them, all it go. I just start take things serious. Me see call the police as somebody come out and go down a station and carry the police come right in and Migla road there. So me now go out the door. Me now go there. Make some days go there. I'm going to stab him promise. Me now go there. I'm not going out there. Yes, somebody say what me use him. I want to use you and your mama. I want to use you and your mama. If you carry your papa come to, I use your papa.
So you see police here.
Can't talk to the police them and give police them direction again. But use him. I want to out and brighty. Bright and out of order. When time you see certain things, you take it for some joke. Use your backside. Eh? When woman want dump a man, when a woman see a relationship over, una go on like say, the man them have right to stick themselves by you. Or when they don't want you, sometimes the man they don't want to, you know. Sometimes they just want to know life to be a living hell. Una better go learn something here. Sometimes them man don't want una, but because they don't want left for your next man forget to know. Eh? They rather make una life be a living help on this hurt. Because this man could never love me and I go on so. No love no go so. So me don't know how you see your love, but me not see love go so. You hear me tell you? So me if you go lie down with this man, eh? Go build a coffin for me. Put some sprinkle on it, pink. Me look pink coffin. My dream say a pink coffin. If me go back go lie down with that man here. Pink coffin.
And they wake up this man that cost me. Not that time.
Come here, sleep side that demon. Me this side that demon. Demon, me this side that me no want sleep side that demon. Why? What is it if we say relationship done? Nothing no wrong with that. Nothing no wrong with that, you know. So you act like something wrong with that if we say relationship done. You're a nice man. You get nice, look good, girl. You have your penny for live for, you know that.
No.
So you have your look at you them for live for. You have your penny for live for.
Just that come me down yourself and now live for them. If me dead I still bomb up that thing.
So I say your pre-life, you have to stop pre-life that way there. You see that knife the way you have in your hand it and make you get haunted. You need to put on your knife. So you put on your piece of cutlass because they can make you do things. Put on your knife now. Put on your knife.
Police will come. I want them come. They might go shoot me from put this. God. If I lie me I tell. You look my son.
No one
That me bomb up my
man.
life now.
You feel say me feel like you get a new drugs like you lick piece of Mali. Who change you? You smoke Mali after me no smoke coke.
Don't laugh.
Stop laughing at my girl. Move from your son, stop laughter. That make him get ignorant. There's a skin off your teeth in a Chanel. Stop laughing, my girl, and stop that. Don't do that. Stop act like you take. You know, say if you at this step, me contact you. But if you come down, you said me would have come, but look how you go down on the ground and I do that. Me can't contact you.
Stop talking. Me not moderator.
Who not take my thing for sure? Yeah.
Me know no good cry, you cry. Me know no good cry. I don't know the phone you go in or out. Me nah go out there. Me nah go out there cause me nah go out there. No make no sense. You no lock the door, I could go in cause no police now come. Everybody I take this for joke and a joking thing, cause man, this is lucky door no girl. You see all your the first thing mother want in lick out of your big old teeth them from out your head because you just a skin off your teeth so. And even like you laugh and cover up your laugh, you just make everybody see say you laugh. Lift up your charger. You know say the man in feelings. No laugh make him see. You try you have first maddy me want him catch. Oh, I see mad. Look on my head, you not come my head. I not go out the door, I go out the door stay. I'm busy when nobody wants to say. My camera saved my life 24/7. And if me fi dead past social media. That is what me is, a social media influencer. Up here so me I go dead. Leave me alone. Oh, you're crazy. Me not make no man near me out. You're bright and face you out of order. Man work and motivate themselves and help them woman and put in with them woman. When you talk about them a lazy man nowadays what woman work and mind them. No go so. Look on me head. Look how me black and crusty and toasty. Not even look up see the lotion coloring. Me can rub on my face. Me a beat me crooks from about too much months ago. Because of business me I do. Me not look for hot up and nice up. A business me I do. Me I look for invest myself and put in what me can put in the business. If a 10 baggy have you wash it 10 baggy them over. You understand me? So as you have business, you feel that people fin hype up and hot up and have a lace wig and put on the most nicest things. Business don't go so. Business do not go like that. And that hurt me because me and him end up start or something. I know him a go talk like say, me supposed to pay him certain amount of money. And me and you sleep in a bed together. So what kind of pretense that? It hurt me what him do. And he say, I come my business place, come mash up down there. Me start off with 18 grand in my pocket. Me a strong woman, nobody can tell me nothing. Oh, me start off with little and nothing in my pocket. So all me and him fear build business and me fear pay him out of the business. Tell me now. Them man are too disgusting. You understand me? And when a woman say, we no want you, a relationship done, then ready for kill. No, me not go take it dead. Fix the charger, me not take it dead. Me not go take it dead. Me not take no dead from you, me sorry. Me not take it from him. So in order you go come at my workplace and disgrace me. You go come down there and mash up down there and try to kill me because me no want to sit down and in talking with you. No, sorry. Sorry, my love. Happy Easter too. Happy Easter to everyone. This is the Easter for me. No, I'm in the out there in the road. I promise uno. I promise uno. Not even $3,000 because he come back and say me thief money. And him know say me are no thief. He know say me are no thief. From what day I start my business, look for me. Me lose weight. Me lose weight because me have to pay so many bills. Me have the kids them to take care of. You hear me I tell you? Me still a push through. Me are the head of the family. So because me are the head of the family, me have to stand up strong. Right? When people come for me, they'll cuss me and tell me how me lose weight and this and that. Me no pay them no mind. Look on the vein we turn up over me eye. Look. Look on my face so I get black. Look on my head. Where you want to look a braid? Look. Me can't even pull out this here because them false press on nails, yeah. Because I don't know they're not real. Look on the head. Look. And man come tell me what them want. Man come tell me anyway them want. Instead of you motivate me. Elevate me and push me through. Right? And when you look here, I know for me alone, I feel the both of we. I feel the both of us. Because when me rise, you are going to rise. That means you never see me that way. You never see me that way. You see me as your cookie jar. You see me as a little cookie jar where you can scout. You understand me? So me I go skin out the whole of my tun my tin mackerel gear. Dash short gear with gravy and everything. At night time you stab out every stab you stab you out. And me if you get up and pay your antipide, who pay me? Who pay me? Hey, make a come off for the media, you know, cause I'm out nice, you know, the best thing me do me tap talk, you know, Ladies, come on, no man. Come on, no man. Come on. We come from nothing. We're coming from nothing. The Almighty shines some light upon we. If you have real love for me and you got me like that, you would never in a business for over a month and add and a look for pay. You understand me? So I don't understand how this man get up and go say, me not pay him. What me a pay him for? Eh?
Maybe a police.
No, me a fear hide in a house from man. Look at this now.
Police come with me, give them the number in your phone.
Me have to go hide in a house from man. Eh? So me obligated to go to the door, go talk to him. Me nah go. Me nah go to the door. Then can go to the door. Who want go for water, go for water. Anybody want go for nothing out the door, right? So me a catch up. Because in chop off the light this morning. In chop off the light, my girl. That me I tell you. That me nah go there. Me and them they stab the flowers and go and stab the earth and go down on the knee. You mad? Are you that? Me nah go. Me push Chanel out there. Look here, it's like a dopey show. First somebody me a push Chanel. Chanel I drop me and make. But don't keep it door lock for you. I drop. I'm serious guys, don't just keep it door lock. Cause this, me not gonna workplace go what me tell you. Cause him a come down there, you know. Him a come down there. You ain't tell him a come. Somebody talk to him. Look if a police ain't come now. What you say?
I phone in the pan, lay down in the earth.
So you cuss off with somebody them on the phone?
I don't know.
So you talk to people them on the phone? Make him family come for him. Make him family come for him. Make him people them come take him up and carry him home. He want him meds. That me I tell you, cause me never see a man act so crazy in my life. In my entire life, me never see a man act so crazy. Me no like how him attention to Talia. When he come on to Talia, him action to Talia, me no like it. Like, you know see him jump up. Anna, you know see him jump up.
You know why I'm a babe so? Because you tell him say, your relationship done and he don't want that. You know so
guys, we are going to come up for life because the police ain't come. The police ain't carry him down. If he come back up, come do me nothing, the police ain't fault. Say police them a come, then say they reach down the road. Right? So, me not lie, me go take the police them. One of the way over the phone when he start do me things, me can't go manage. Yeah, man, but you know the far road, guys. Come on, man. You mad? You see money on your eye, then look. Yeah, you know. Say police ain't go tell if you go suck. I want you.
Inji can buy a charger, please.
Every second I look at my head. You need to braid, man. Take your drop off. Give me next charger.
Inji want the next charger.
I'm afraid that man your forge. God no. I'm not talking if you ever know me start get chilled down in my spine when me see my stab it place. No, in our charge. In our charge. Me no want to come for life. You give me one other charger, no man? Take out the plug out of this and go for my next ones. Yeah, me I stay on live, guys. Me I plug in my phone.
Oh, fine.
Charger there. Plug in this. Me I stay on live. Chanel gone for police them.
It's broke.
You broke inside there?
No, it broke my seat, so.
Which one broke?
That one just took up. It a charge?
No, it's not a charge. Hey, me no police come out to me more than them just carry my fire ill, you know, make it, touch it this come in and go on this car like go. I'll go to the door. All me want is a police then just make sure no say carry him down. The police come ask me no. Come. Hey, you give me orange charger.
I left them there. I didn't know Mr. I said. There man. We go to the we go party.
Hey.
You know me, don't you?
Give me my charger.
Brother, from me and the woman there, it changed my life. Me don't go bar, me don't go nowhere. As I tell you, one thing about me, when Charles said, me don't know the yard.
Put your best.
Only that.
When you tell me, Yeah, the police then come. I got the police.
The police then come. The police then come, guys. And I want to call it.
With a charge?
Yeah, give me my shoes. The police then come. Wanna do no charge? Want me to charge some man? Look for his extension, man.
That one a good woman like I charge.
Guys, me no want my phone there. The police. Where they there?
Them they run this. Like I
Push car around this, so.
Me think he's only police and come out and go suck them mother.
That thing say police them go suck them mother. Where police them?
Them they run in front there, so they carry park and carry.
9 years after me, and you know, they no 9 years in lie. In lie, it's gonna go for one other life. Go for one other life, because me go come off of this. Lie. Yeah.
You want to not to film. We get down hotel work and not take it. Just to help her in a restaurant.
Morning.
Morning. My name is Tamika.
Tamika.
In a
Davis.
restaurant I work.
Hang up your phone and I'm going to do it.
She never pay me and she has to me never do nothing for her.
What?
You hear me I tell you?
This young man a cost me for pay me and him there and him a cost me for pay.
Mountain.
Move, dog. We just want him go home. Me threaten our life. Come take this. Take it live.
Yes, sir. Oh man, that's the time, man. Police come to solve problem at that boy. What the police? What the mad man come from? Come on, 5 phone. So you bad news officer. You bad someone attack school in this wife. Police that come and complain. Me no must think I feel it phone that me no hang up, me no hang up.
I idiot this. This is him sick in the head, man.
Oh man, funny.
I don't care this police.
I got 9 years old and then just relax. Nobody go through this road. Walk.
My sister-in-law.
Just smoke some to it.
Yeah,
Problem? See, I make you eat that one. I'm going to fair one thing.
Yeah, man. Guy picky.
Yeah?
Picky.
She pick
You don't smoke, sir. Don't listen to her.
the picture. Yes.
So feel like no black to say.
Oh.
Feel like we shouldn't talk to you, like no black. You black so you live for go. I tell the black sir something.
Go on, man. Look at something like that for the fire.
Yeah. She been not talking a while ago.
Merge, matter of fact, I see a man a ball must know that normally man is the ball like that. You feel it. And that's why I get so upset. But that's life, that's so good. That's so good. You have to be a man, brother, and you have to be a man and be firm, brother. Things will do happen, then you have to just pick up yourself and yourself. So part of life. Yes, sir.
See, everybody like that. Why you
I'm supposed to send the PM outside business.
no, stop how it go.
That is how it goes. The PM when you get to assistant.
My occupation.
Are you there to them?
That's what I'm doing. This is where it comes out. This is where it comes out.
I will make a sustain.
That make me feel bad, sir.
But I come home and then I look at my body.
She have body.
If you well, I know this one, I operate at part.
I don't know, man. We just have to eat and get little fat. We want somebody to take care of me. Look where we go and don't Chanel. You can't do this work. No. You're doing it. No, we never do that before.
She said, if it's done. I'm sorry, me John. Alright, she had to talk all the way forward now. Because we are the police who come to resolve the problem or to make things work out. Alright. Coach it, and here's nobody dead. Understand? You are going. Hold on, man. That's too fast. I'm going to go forward. She had said, understand? So you are going. Probably you know who don't want it, so we have to understand. Life, so my things in our life, we don't understand. So where are you going to go now? She said, you have to damage the business place and something like that. So how you talk about the business? You never get nothing out of what you talk about. You are together. No, in here, man. Talk about me and her. Let's talk about the business. So that's not surprising. That's part of the record. So when I go in right now, I battle with my stuff and everything. That's we can send some motivating kids them next week. Come here, something. Come here, sure. Well, I know. Put money in our business. Yeah. Yes or no? No, but you're working never free.
In work there, that's why I'm saying could I just make it clear off the bill. But right now even on that, so we feel left. You understand me? Yeah. So just wait till make me clear off the bill. The chicken lady then come. We have 3 sets of people give me chicken. So I could sell. Put stock together, stack up a business. Next week money is very easy. You can clean kids money out tight and still buy stock. But he must say one pay. Oh, I forget.